everybody. In this video I like to show you our first version of AWS FIS integration. So what I did is to start up a single EC2 instance with an Nginx running on it, nothing special. So you can reach the Nginx server on this IP. So I can just check it. It's just the default start page, which shows that the Nginx is running. And then I created a simple FIS experiment, which just reboots the EC2 instance. So the experiment is just rebooting this instance. You can see it here. The target is the instance which I just created. So then I go over to Steadybit and just create a new experiment, where you now have the option to select this AWS FIS experiment attack. I put it over here, and then I can select the experiment template which I just created. So I choose the reboot Nginx experiment. So, and to see if it's really working, I will also add HTTP action. So I'll grab this IP and say the target URL is this one, and I want to make sure that the word congratulations is included in the response. So, and I will do this for, let's say, 60 seconds, and let's say 100 seconds. And to see if it's starting okay, I will do start with a 10 seconds wait in this column. So save, give it a name. And run the experiment. So what we can see now is that the agent can reach the Nginx service, totally fine. So now we are starting the FIS experiment. I can switch over to here. We can see it's currently initiating. So let's have a look here. Now it's running. And now we can see the first errors here. And now let's wait a little bit and see what happens if the instance comes back. Now something happens. Experiment is done, and after a while the Nginx successfully responds again. So that's what we can do actually. Thank you very much.